Hey everyone, this is Jacob with the ultimate GIF tool. Let's create a quick GIF to see it in action. First we hit record or use a hotkey and grab a few frames. Once we're done, a preview appears right in the inspector. We can watch it and customize it by trimming a few frames from the beginning to the end. We can put it in ping pong mode so it'll play back and forth, or set it in reverse. Once we've got it just right, we can hit save, and just like that, we created, edited, and saved our first GIF. And we can view it with the press of a button. Not only that, we can also share it. We can upload it to Imgur, see it there. We can share it to Twitter. We can share it to Reddit. And we can even share it to a custom URL you set up. The ultimate GIF tool makes it super fast to create and share GIFs.